Brighton Lovers Walk Traction and Rolling Stock Maintenance Depot is a traction maintenance depot located in Brighton, East Sussex, England. The depot is situated adjacent to the Brighton Main Line and is to the north of Brighton station.The. The depot code is BI. The depot was opened in 1848 as a carriage works by the LB&SCR, being converted in 1933 to an EMU depot by the Southern Railway. At that time, it had adjoining 5- and 7-track dead-ended buildings. In 1987, the depot's allocation included classes 421, 422 and 423 EMUs. Around the same time, the depot was also used to stable locomotives, including classes 09, 33, 47, and 73. Modernization resulted in the 5-track building being reduced to a 4-track from 2002, and the depot was reopened for servicing Class 377 units in 2006. A mix of bombardier transportation and Southern Railway technicians are based here. As of 2020, the depot's allocation consists of Southern Class 377 EMUs and Class 313 EMUs. Marsden, Colin J. 1987. BR Depots. Motive Power Recognition. 6. Ian Allen Limited, ISBN 9780711017191. OCLC 1868568.CS1 made. Ref equals Harv. Link. Smith, Paul, Stewart, Philip, 2010. Railway Depots. Ian Allen Limited, ISBN 9780711034822. OCLC 528397749.CS1 made. Ref equals Harv. Link. Webster, Neil, Greengrass, Robert, Greaves, Simon, 1987. British Rail Depot Directory. Metro Enterprises Limited, ISBN 9780947773076. OCLC 204203997.CS1 made. Ref equals Harv. Link.